And in today's video, projector, BenQ digital projector, projector digital. Well, this is full HD version. Why I didn't pick 4K, only full HD? Two things, short throw, and the second thing, it was on a discount, huge discount, insane discount. So why not? Why not choose BenQ and see? Maybe I don't need 4K. Who knows? Let's unbox it. Bam. And jam. Wow. Support. Okay. Batteries. Cable. Support. Very cool. Alrighty then. VGA cable. Okay. Strange. Remote. Echo. Sound. Source. Success. Oh, okay. Oh, wow. 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 It's all wrapped in plastic and everything. Okay. Then ATP. 3 legs for support. Or you can add a couple of more ports. That is important. HDMI. Audio in and audio out for headphones. Oh, I need that. HDMI 2. Type A USB. To PC. Monitor out. I will use HDMI anyway. And mini B. And lock. And the power. And on the top, power, back menu, auto, source, echo, black. It's rugged plastic and everything. Wow, it's like new. Okay, let's see lens. Is it dirty? No, super clean. Wow, bulky. Okay. Nice. Is this the correct model? Because, like, when the pictures looks a bit different. Okay, I think it is. It's laying around on this rack. Just a temporary thing, but first thing which I noticed, this freaking projector is insanely loud. At least for me. I'm used to the no sound at all. Because I'm not using a projector, just OLED TVs. I know, this is just a smartphone for the dB meter, but let me show you. Ambient sound. Between 22 and 25. And after about 5 minutes, and it's getting so loud. No, that is a lot. 50? Come on. Okay, so now you know. First of all, how big is the screen? And the screen is big. Sound on. You can easily use it without any other external speaker. It's cool. It sounds good. Bassy. No distortions. I love it. Alright. Let's go back. Wow. That's a cool gaming experience. And it's such a huge screen. Whoa. And the response time is fantastic. Playing with the Xbox pad. Woo! Come on, it's game now. Okay, one more thing. When we get out. Oh shit. It's like in real life. It's so big. Maybe not like in real life, but we're almost there. Oh. Hold on. Look at it. Wow. You can see no distortions. Colors looks brilliant. Okay, it is a little bit. Okay, that's the resolution. I think that is, yeah, 480, of course. Now we're talking. Now we're talking sharpness. Wow. I know it's full HD. I will definitely prefer 4K and that kind of big screen, and it's visible. That is full HD. That definitely in the desktop it's visible, but in the movies like that, videos, it's all fine. Nice. For movies, I don't have to have a 4K. It's fine. Can you hear the? Of course you hear it. Wow. The built-in speakers. Wow. Amazing. Okay, let me bring the light. Conclusion. If you don't care about the fan noise and you don't go crazy like me with 200-inch screen, just a little bit less, you'll be all fine. Definitely recommend this product. It's really good. What a beast. Woo. I just find out that I messed up. There is a zoom available, and you know what that means? Whoa! That's a huge difference. Look at the human. I'm not a short person. This is like from 3 meters. 3 meters. Jesus! I don't know how many inches that, but it's a lot. Gigantic. There you go. Thanks for watching, and see you next video.